introduce this dual screen physiotherapy instrument. It mainly combines the functions of tecar and shockwave. First, look at the interface. The screen below is all the gamepads that control tecar. Up there is the shockwave control handle. Shockwave handle to turn on and access requires a code. The super code is 1300 and then 200. This is how it works. Understand this row is the tecar handle and its negative pad. Tertiary radio frequency. Work on the cheeks, neck and body. Dynamic negative electrode. This is what the probe looks like without it installed. Normally, 80 or 60 probe is installed. This is the handle with this LED. It can hold RAD and CET. These two handles have the same appearance but different probes. The RAD and CET probes are on both sides of the instrument. The black ceramic on this side is the CET probe. The metal material here is RAD probe. Both RAD and CET have these irregular probes. This curved probe is generally used to fit the curved part of the body. For example, the curved parts of the neck and arms are more comfortable to operate with this probe. And then you can use this. Get a point massage. This small probe can be used to operate even smaller areas. It can also be used with the assembly of a fish knife. These probes can be selected according to this size. It's all functionally the same. This side of the probe installation and operation function is the same. This is a level 8 handle. Do it physically. It is mainly used for weight loss. The bipolar handles are used for operation around the ass. Wristband. The human body can wear the wristband for free hand massage. Massage the patient for clinical treatment. Here are the shockwave-equipped probes and 2 silicone sleeves to operate ED. This is a silicone sleeve for size 5. This is a 1-2 line. This line can be used to perform different types of operations in the clinic. This is the MS suction cup. Handle introduction complete. Next, introduce the operation interface. First, the shock wave. This is what the home screen looks like. 3 languages can be set in the settings. Return here. Here, record the time of work. It has the recommended probes on it. For example, choose a spot on the right. Recommended headers are assigned. There are also recommended probe operations for other parts. The selected part has the probe recommendation and parameter recommendation. There's a choice of numbers. The highest number of hairs used to treat this area is 2580. The following to records the number of runs and runs. The number of runs is set for example 2500 runs to be completed into 1 round. It'll show to on the second round. Here are the hairs and energy settings. The highest hairs is 16. The maximum energy is currently indicated to be 100 joules. This is done by joules. Because the machine will limit its highest parameters according to the position. It can only get this high and this. There are two modes, C and P. A high energy high frequency pattern. A low energy, low frequency mode. Both modes have recommended parameters. The client can directly select the recommended parameters for treatment. You can see that the parameters change when you switch here. This is the ready state. After preparation, all you need to do is start it on the handle. Press here to activate it. Pause is the same button. The up and down keys add and subtract the corresponding frequency. Energy is adjusted in the same way. After the interface starts, press the button and the handle will work. Click again to stop. After the handle is working, the sound of the fan cooling will be relatively loud. Because it has a temperature when it works. The cooling fan needs to work. Below is the interface of tecar. It has several interfaces. First look at the red and CET operation interface. Select this. Then adjust the parameters of these three boxes. If you operate CET, you select CET, and if you operate red, you select red. If the customer wants red and CET to work alternately, just select the button in the middle. One frequency is 00K and one frequency is 300K. Select the middle button if the two frequencies are to alternate. Here's the energy. The higher the energy, the faster it heats up. The following is the interval of work. Mini is working 0.5秒 and stopping 0.5秒. Work 0.75秒, stay 0.25秒. Continuous work. Clinical time. Just set it up here. There are three buttons. Stop. Pause. Activate. The second is the bracelet operation interface. The bracelet only has a frequency setting. The frequency is the same as the razor. Same thing on the bottom. Here too. Third, the plus interface can be a bracelet or gloves, socks, elbows, and fixture knives. And the fixture knife can be operated with this interface. Set red and current duration here. Or alternate working hours between the two. If you want red to work continuously, set the red time to 30 seconds. When the micro battery is 00, it has no output. If you want a microelectrical output, then select the microelectricity and adjust the microelectricity time. The client can adjust the treatment for as many seconds as they want. These are the microelectric gears. The higher you go, the stronger the microelectrical stimulation. At the bottom is the frequency of microelectrical stimulation. The faster you go, the faster you tighten the muscles. The bottom is the time and the heat here. The final interface is a multi-level gamepad. 2-stage, 3-pole, and 8-stage gamepads operate on this interface. The interface is shared. The frequency is set at mHz and 500 kHz. At the bottom is the heating gear and the working interval. And then over here is the total clinical time setting.